Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of the Libra for the August 2020. Okay, these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. So take the messages wisely, and I will pull some advice card for you in the end of the reading. So stay tuned with the end of the reading till the end of the reading. So I will start with the reading for the Libra, Sun, Moon and Venus risings for the Libra. Okay, if the messages are resonating with you, if the readings are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you want a new reading with a new topic, then please let me know, I will do that. Okay, Libra, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign. For my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, friends and family. Okay, Four of Cups in reverse, Nine of Swords and the Nine of Wands. I will see why the Four of Cups is here. Why the Four of Cups is here. Okay, very good. Knight of Pentacles. Why the Nine of Swords is here. Justice, very nice. Why the Nine of Wands is here. Okay, Five of Wands. Why the Nine of Wands is here. Okay, Queen of Cups, and bottom of the deck is the Death card. Okay, so for the Libra, in the current situation, or in the end of the July, you might get any one offer. Okay, and this offer might be regarding the money or maybe a family expansion offer. Okay, take whatever the resonating with you. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, that person may be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, and that person is offering you some offer. It might be business partnership, it might be the call for the interview, it might be anything. Okay, because this is the general reading, and you are in the current thing, you are focusing on that offer. Okay, or maybe in the beginning of the August you will take that offer very seriously. Okay, and which is a very good thing. Then you will feel very relaxed. Okay, in the past you was very you have a night sleepless nights, and very worried, very stressed. Okay, you was feeling very worried, very stressed regarding your situation. The money, the coins suggest as the family, and the cups shows as the emotional thing. So you might be feeling stuck for the financial things, or it might be some emotional problems. Okay, it might be love regarding. So you was facing the sleepless night. Okay, but but in the August month it is going to end. Okay, in the middle of the August, because the justice is coming into your way. Okay, from the divine, the justice is coming into your way, the scale is going to balance. Okay, and at the end of the August, you will feel the you are guarded with your wants, you are guarded with your emotion, you are guarded with yourself. Okay, you are ready to do the attack. Okay, attack in the sense, if anyone is saying something to you, or doing something wrong with you, you are very defensive. Okay, you are protecting yourself. Okay, you are on your ground. Whatever the situation will be, you are on your ground and you are ready to battle, ready for the battlement. Okay, and this will end into the Queen of Cups, which is a very nurturing, caring and emotional person. Okay, you might be having water in your chart, natal chart. Okay, and then you will feel very satisfied. Okay, or for some of you, you might be getting some offer of love. Okay, from the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, after the battlement. Okay, and there is a death is the it is the end of the one cycle and the beginning of the new cycle, because even though it is a death, the sun is going to arise. Okay, because justice is going to happen. Whatever happened, just let it go. Okay, the transformation hasn't happened. Okay, so you just have to be focused on the positive thing, because sun is going to arise, so you just have to prepare for the future things. Okay, so I will pull the advice card from the unicorn decks. What are the advices for the Libra? Very nice reading. You people might be dealing in this month, you might be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, birth. Be receptive to a new idea, child or a situation. Some of you might be pregnant. Some of you might be starting your own business, own company, own things. Okay, because see, I told you there might be some chances of someone might be offering you the partnership, finances. Okay, so that might be the possibilities. So you are going to give the birth. Okay, birth of the situation, new idea, child or situation. It might be the creative work, because the pentacle, see the pentacle, it might be the creative work you are going to start with someone. Okay, and that person may be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So birth and the transformation hasn't been happened, sun is going to arise, so new situation is going to arise in your life. For those who are not starting with anything, but the new situation, new situation, new part of your life is going to arise. Okay, what are the advices for the Libra in the August 2020? Feather. This calling card from the unicorns tells you they are near to you. See, God is near to you in the form of feather. Okay, you might be seeing lot of feather around you. Okay, or might be you are saying the your universe is giving you the different messages from the in the different signals, so you just have to catch all the signals. Okay, and focus on it. You will find the guidance, proper guidance from the unicorns, from the God. Okay, so they want to help you and they are near to you. See, I told you, justice is going to happen. They are near to you, they are working for you, they are blessing you. What are the other messages for the Libra in the August 2020? Archangel Raphael, 40. Healing and abundance are coming to your way. See, again, the abundance is going to come to your way, and you might be face some sleepless night and you are overcoming from that. Okay, so your health is going to improve. Okay, or and abundance is coming to your life, pentacles. So be positive, be receptive for the all the situation. Okay, you are going to attract the new things, attract the healing, attract the abundance in your life, attracting the joy in your life. Very nice. Okay, I will pull one card. What is the last message for the Libra? What is the last message for the Libra? Okay, invisibility. Take off your cloak of invisibility and let your light be seen. Okay, you just have to open your third eye chakra. Okay, so that you will see all the positive things. Healing is coming into your way, abundance is going to come into your way. So you just have take off all your invisible clock from your eyes, from your mind. Okay, and let you let the things enlighten. Okay, you will see the light. Okay, so this was your reading, and it will be come into your 1 plus 6 in 1 plus 6 is 7, so the divine timing, it will come into the divine timing. Okay, so very good, stability is going to coming into your way. Okay, and be positive, be receptive for the all the situation. So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like and share my channel to your friends and family. So thank you so much for watching, and if you want any personal reading, detailed reading, then you can contact me. I will share my contact details in the description down below. So take care and bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.